Hello everyone, today we are going to make a lemon ginger syrup for the flu season. And all you need is 1 jar, any size, and 2 lemons, 5 to 10 pieces of ginger, depends on how much you want to make, and some thyme, like maybe 3 is enough, and some honey, and a knife and a cutting board, and let's start. First, you cut off the side pieces of the lemon and cut it again. You won't really need the side pieces. And all you need to do is a few slices of lemon, like about this thin. And then you cut the other lemon, doing the same thing. And that will probably be enough. And then after you're done, you can put stuff inside the jar. However you want to put them. Put it however you want. Once you're done, you can grab the honey and pour it on. I feel like that's enough. I'll just finish. I'll just wait for the honey to spread, and then that's all. This is how it looks like. And you can put on the lid, and you are finished. So after you're done, you can put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks, and then you can start using it, and it will help with your itchy throat. And it's helpful for the flu symptoms. And it also boosts your immune system. Hope this recipe is good for your health and this winter season. See you next time. Now that we are done, we just need, if you have a small spoon like me, you can use like 3 to 4 scoops of it and put it in a bowl or a cup. Then when you put it in, put a piece of lemon inside. Then you pour some hot water inside. And mix it. After it cools down a bit, you can drink it. So when you scoop it up, you might have some leaves of the thyme inside, but it's okay because you can eat the thyme. I also made another cup, and this is how it looks like.
It's for me? Thank you.